Your eggs are hot though. Here, eat some watermelon. Your eggs are really hot. What do you say? Try it, baby. Is it cold? Mmm, that's good, huh? Yeah. Welcome to my morning routine. It's a Monday morning. It's very Monday this morning. I wanted to film my morning routine. My morning routine with you guys because it looks a lot different with two babies. What are you doing? You saying hi? It looks a lot different these days. I try to wake up every morning before both of them. This morning though, I slept past what I normally try to wake up. So she woke up really shortly after I did. So she hung out with me all morning. It's about time for her nap now though, because she started to wake up around 7:15, but was out of bed at 7:30. So her wake windows are only about an hour. I use the Huckleberry app. I'm sure you've heard of it if you're a mom. I've literally used this app since the day Cohen was born, because in the hospital they want you to write down every diaper change and how often you feed them. So I got an app on my phone to keep track of that, and Huckleberry was the one I found and love, and I literally used it up until basically she was born with Cohen with his sleep. I would kind of track his sleep on there, and then once she was born I started tracking in the early days her diapers, feeds, and sleep, but now I just do her feeds and sleep. You saying hi? And it is so helpful to like remember, because mom brain, and I'm so busy with both of them that I tend to forget everything to keep track of like when I last fed her or when she like woke up last, so I know to follow her wake window so that she doesn't get overtired, because she gets overtired really easily. That's why she's in the carrier now, so that she will hopefully fall asleep soon and will avoid overtired Briar. If you're a new mom or soon to be mom, the Huckleberry app is amazing for tracking all of those things. Which, you want more watermelon? Brief watermelon break. Like I was saying, if you're a new mom or soon to be mom, get the Huckleberry app so you can use it in the hospital, and it's just super helpful to use after your baby's born. Like I said, I literally used it for over a year with Cohen. I love it. And they also have a sweet spot setting where the app will tell you the best time to put your baby down for a nap, which I used with Cohen, and it, like when he was a little older. I feel like at this age they kind of nap whenever and whenever they get tired, but when he was a little older I used that with him and it worked so well for us. Are you saying hi? You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. Worked really well for us when he was a little older of a baby, and yeah, I plan to use it when she gets a little older, when she's out of the newborn sleepy nap all the time age. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get her to go to sleep, but I just wanted to talk about Huckleberry because like I said, I've been using it literally so long now, since Cohen was a baby, and I love it, and you guys should check it out if you're a new mom. You can also track like pumping, you can track when you give them medicine, you can track their growth from their appointments, to just have everything in one place, so it's super nice. I also really like that like I breastfeed, so it'll tell me which side I fed her on last, which is nice if you know you want to alternate, or else you'll have one big one and one small one. Definitely check it out. I'm gonna try to get her to go to sleep now before she gets fussy. I'll have Huckleberry linked below for you guys to download. The app itself is free, and then if you download it from my link, you can get 2 weeks free of the sweet spot settings. So definitely download it and try it out if you are a new mom or a mom in general with little ones. I'm gonna try to get her to go to sleep before she's fussy, because she keeps dropping her passy. But yeah, check it out.
hard to make a coffee. Okay, hopefully that's good. Okay, there's not much going on, not much to film. I always think like, oh, I'm gonna film my morning routine, and then realize while I'm filming that I don't do much. Cohen's outside now. I can see him out of the window. He's playing outside, finally. He'll probably play out there for an hour or so, and then it's his nap time, and the morning is so over by that time. Sister's still napping for like 20 more minutes, and then I'm gonna wake her up, Luckily, she's getting a good nap this morning, and then after his nap, we'll probably go out, but like I said, this is a morning routine video, so I won't be filming that far into the day, but I think I'm gonna start a week of my life or a few days of my life to film, because I want to do a few things this week that would be fun to vlog, I think. So yeah, that's our morning basically. I get up before the babies. On a better morning, I would get up well before she does to get myself ready, get Cohen's breakfast started, and then get her up, and then get Cohen up. It's the way to do it, and for me at least, just because if I don't, I feel like a mess all day long. Hopefully this video wasn't too boring. I feel like this happens so often where I start filming and I'm like, oh, I actually don't do very much. Guys, just like stay-at-home mom life, you kind of a homebody. There's not much going on all the time, but like I said, if I film a week of my life or a few days of my life, I'll film all the fun things of the day so that the whole video is really fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video nonetheless. My mornings looks very different. I used to literally be like, I don't know why people wake up before their kids. That's crazy. I'm gonna get that extra sleep. Me, I wake up before my kids now because I would rather get myself pulled together for the day for them. I feel like I'm always out of focus. I would rather get myself pulled together for them than get an hour extra sleep. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this little video. Stay tuned for another vlog soon, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.